back again and again with Chef Ricardo talking about apple cider vinegar, and also we are talking about how you can detox in your body with the apple cider vinegar, lemon, cucumber and ginger. Amazing recipe, guys. This is fantastic, you know, it's just good for you. Cleanse the system and cleanse your body and refreshing your whole system, guys. You just make you feel real good. Anyway, today is just a simple one, as I say, detoxing your body, and you can do this at home. And if you're somewhere far, or if a country can't get apple cider vinegar and you want me to send you one, please write it and send it to me in a message, and I will definitely send a bottle for you. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best, and I will encourage it to anyone. Give it a try. And I got the full information on the internet. You can type up and ask for about apple cider vinegar, what the purpose for, and also there's a lot of things for it, guys. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and also the Google Plus page. 50% off my cookbook on Amazon, and there's a lot of benefit in ginger and lemon and water and cucumber. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. It's just amazing. You know what happened? I'm really excited about the apple cider vinegar. You know what I mean? Today when I went to the shop, I saw the guy in the shop and I said to him, did you get the apple cider vinegar? Because this one is really expensive, and you know what I mean, when I buy it at the L shop, it's really expensive. So I know a shop where do sell it, but sometimes they say they get it, I don't know, they get it, them have the next one. But anyway, guys, with the apple cider vinegar, when you're gonna buy the apple cider vinegar, you need to check this one. This is the original one. You see? Original right here. This is the raw apple cider vinegar. Yeah, and this is the best 100%. Guys, it is amazing to know what this can do to you if you want to be healthy, losing weight and fit, if you're going to the gym, if you want to exercise, all kind of everything what you can think of. This is the remedy. And I'm excited because I got a lot of stuff which I'm going to do with this for the fans then. First thing this evening, what we're going to do, because if you notice the buckle doesn't pull yet. What are they? Let me open the buckle for you guys to see, to show you. See? The buckle just opened from Chef Ricardo. Alright? Lovely. This evening we want to talk about detoxing your body. The same old story, guys. And I'm, you know what I mean, as I say, I wanted to reach to the right place, and the right place is the news, because the news don't want to talk about these things. You know what I mean? And as I said before, if you notice my buckle wet, I just wash off the buckle. You might just say this guy is a madman. No, I'm not mad. Yeah, I just wash off the buckle, because the reason why I wash the buckle, I didn't know who handled this buckle. You know what I mean? I wash off my ingredients. I wash off my lemon, my lime, anything. I wash off the cucumber, and I wash off the buckle with the apple cider vinegar. If you notice, it is still wet same way. The reason why I wash my stuff, guys, because sometimes, yeah, when I'm looking at things, I check my ingredients and I check my stuff. Then when I go to the shop and I buy my things, I always look at them. And sometimes when you look at the buckles and under the cover, it's so dirty you think you're taking it off from the road. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You can't believe it, just filthy. But anyway, forget the story short. Today we're gonna show you how you can detox your body one more time again and lose weight with the apple cider vinegar, because I did the apple cider vinegar a couple of months ago. With the apple cider vinegar, I even use it bathed with. I use it for my face, I use it for my skin. And a lot of people, I do a research for it, and if you have like a fever, or if you got like hot leaks and all these things, it's good for it. So these things, all you need to do is just put it into the water and soak your feet in it. A lot of people, if you got like smelly feet, you can use this for it. Alright, all you need to do is just put a little teaspoon into some water and soak your feet in it. It's really good for feet also. What we're going to do today, we're going to do detoxing body one more time again from Chef Ricardo and the team. So first thing, as I said before, you will do anything you need to make sure you wash your ingredients. If you notice my cucumber still wet, I wash it off and I cut off here and I cut off right here. This is my lemon, I wash it off. Make sure check your ingredients and see if you see anything on it, and wash it off very carefully. Alright, and I wash off the buckle of a cider vinegar. Alright, what we're going to do now is this. Simple. Cut a few slices of the lemon. Roughly 4 slices, as you can see. Put it straight inside of your glass. Nice one. And I have a piece of a ginger, nice chunk of piece of a ginger. All I'm going to do is cut it up very small. And I'm going to put it straight inside of the glass. Then get a couple slices of cucumber. See, couple slices and straight inside of the bottle. If you have fresh mint, you can put some inside of it. All right. Then what we're going to do? Let's put this one side. Get some water. The very important thing is water. Fill up your glass. Shake up your upper side of vinegar because sometimes it's settled at the bottom, so you need to shake it good. And when you buy the upper side of vinegar, you need to look for the one that said mothers. Alright, original one, upper side of vinegar with mothers. Alright, so you need to buy that one. Alright, shake it up. And then what you're going to do, get a tablespoon and that's 1, 2, well, let's put 3 inside of it. We're gonna put 3 inside of it because it's a glass of water. All right. Nice one. So as you can see, lovely and nice. So basically I want to introduce my friends them, my fans them, and said guys, you can try. I don't know, some country you might very hard to get the upper side of vinegar, but you know you can get anything right now in the whole wide world. So you know what I mean, you can go online and you can buy it and they can ship it straight to you. Basically what I want to do, if any fans who far away and want me to give them a bottle, I can sponsor them a bottle of upper cider vinegar because I know where it sell and I can get it and send it to you guys. That's from the half of Chef Ricardo on the team. We'll definitely do that for you if you're interested to get a bottle of the apple cider vinegar for your health and to help you to lose weight and to be taking care of yourself. If you are one of my fans who watch my video, if not same way, we still can do it for you. Once again, send us your information. Send me your information. We can get you a bottle of apple cider vinegar and we can ship it straight to you of our health department. All right, today we, as I said before, detoxing your body. So basically with this drink, what you need to do is to just clean film it and leave it on a work surface or in a fridge. Some people like it in a fridge for 6 hours. First thing, you can drink this in the morning before you eat your breakfast, or one in the evening before you go to your bed. That's the best way how to drink it, but you need to put it down for 6 hours. It's an amazing recipe, and you know what I mean, if you want to lose some weight, if you want to be healthy, this can do a marvelous work in your life. Apple cider vinegar with some ginger, lemon, cucumber, or if you have fresh mint, you can also put some fresh mint inside of the water also and drink it. You can use some cinnamon also, because cinnamon is really good for you guys inside of water also. So basically, as you can see right here, beautiful. Let's move this. I don't know what is that, but let's move that from the water because my eye always looking for things. That's the thing when you're a chef, you have to look for things. So guys, as you can see, hopefully you just love this one and share it with your friend and the family and tell them that apple cider vinegar is good for you. You can use it in your water when you're bathing. You can use it for your feet. You can use it for cleaning your skin. There are so many things. You can read the instruction on the bottle and you can get a lot more information about apple cider vinegar. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. And as I said before, eat healthy if you're gonna drink apple cider vinegar, and make sure you're looking after yourself. Eat it, drink it in the morning before you eat your breakfast, and at night before you go to your bed. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.